cool cat here. And today we're reviewing the center console safe box. And not only can it use one fingerprint, but two. And thank you for 4-1-Try for sponsoring this video. Hey, Daddy.
Yep.
Can you come in and unbox it for us, please?
Yes. I become an unbox expert.
Let's do it nice and neatly.
Sure. Let's see what we got inside of the box.
There's another box inside of this.
Yeah.
There's another box inside this box, guys. There is another box inside of the literal box.
Okay.
Ooh.
Let's put this aside.
Daddy, look. I see.
Yes.
See that?
It has a staples.
And this safe box, don't worry, it's not made out of plastic. It's not made out of carbon fiber, but it's carbon steel. That's steel reinforced with carbon. And I mean, what could be safer than that? I don't think a bullet can go through that.
Or maybe it can contain bullets.
Ooh, maybe.
If you have firearm, you want to keep it safe inside of the car, or any type of like document or money if you want to go travel. If you are going for camping, this will be the item for you.
Can you please take it out?
Sure.
And it's also reinforced with 4 screws.
Okay. Do you want to show the people in the internet what we have inside of the box?
All right, first things first, always check this out. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, here we have there are keys, and since there's not only 2 fingerprint setups, each person gets a key. Ding, ding, ding. If you want to include more people, you can give them keys. Okay, and here we have the 4 screws. I don't know what this is.
We will find out.
And let's see what's this. Oh, green thing. Okay. This one's not spiky, and this one's spiky, so I'm not gonna touch it.
This one is to poke the holes for those screws to reinforce this box. And last but not least, we got the actual box.
Let's check it out. And let's check out the manuals, guys, real quick. This one it shows what to do and what tools are needed and what it gave us. So it says 4 pieces of self-tapping screws, and the tools it gave us was a punching cone, which is the green thing, and this, the Phillips screwdriver. And this is the instruction manual of operations. So I think this one means how to use a key, what's this, and how to set up your fingerprints. All right, let's fold these back up.
Step. So you gotta go get your items out of the console.
True. Hey guys, let's go get them out. I think this might be good, because my dad always loses his credit card in the car. All right. 4 charcoal roasted coffee candies, and our pure gum, my coyote badges, my official YouTube channel card, and this necklace. And also this squeegee that we used for our screen protector, some dollar bills, a controller, another squeegee, my phone, and a box of my official YouTube video cards. And here is our controller. As you can see, we can play games with this, but we're not playing games today. So, Daddy.
What about this one?
Oh, and what I want to say was, the safe box, the good thing is, there are some outlets here, and there are kind of like holes in the safe box. You can have access to the power rings
This center console box, as you guys know, has a couple of USB ports for charging your stuff and this type of a thing. The good thing about this safe box is that you're not gonna lose your access to these charging ports, so you can still charge your devices and everything. Okay, let's go get the box and set it up.
Let's do this. I'm gonna get everything else.
I guess at this point, we're just gonna need the screws. Yeah, just put them together and let's go.
Alright, Daddy, you take the safe box, I'll bring these.
Yeah, I will take it out.
Oh, taking off the styrofoam now, aren't we?
And hey guys, look. It looks really good. As I mentioned, it has the place for your charging port and access to everything.
Yep.
And it looks really awesome. Let's see how it's gonna turn out after we put it in. Okay, Edward, do you wanna open it up first to see what's going on?
Thank you for the opportunity, of course.
Sure, here. And you know how it works?
Okay.
Push this into the hole. That cap will pop up, and then we can use the key.
Okay, let's show the people of the internet. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, see that hole right there? You take this, poke-a-rooney, no squeeze, hold this here. Now squeeze it and bring it down a little. Just like that. Now let me get it back in real quick. Okay. See? It's pushing up. Now we have to push it up. Then we take it.
There you go. So let's use the key. Open it up.
And oh, other way. Oh, it's also
Oh.
self-bring up. Nice.
Yes, surprisingly roomy. Also,
Kind of.
this whole fingerprint piece, battery operated obviously, and you can use the USB-C to recharge it. I guess we'll see how it works.
On the manual, I saw a picture of if the USB-C fails, just use two triple A's.
It won't fail, but in case you don't have
does.
cable or you are in a traveling or something like this, door is open. Pretty simple.
Oh, looks like we don't have any.
Okay, Edward, let's set it up.
Okay, let's do this. Can I please push it?
Sure.
All right, a little heavy, but
That's
can
what I wanted
manage.
to help you with.
All right, then. Let's take this out real quick.
Yes, this way.
Yeah.
My bad.
That's why I didn't go in properly a little.
There we go.
There.
So, and foam padding that we're gonna install later, but we have full access to the USB-C port here, as well as the home plug outlet. After we close it, we will have this much of clearance for the tray.
Bzzz, chip, and then, yeah,
Let's test it out very quickly.
it's so easy.
Okay,
Let's put it there.
we will have enough space, as you see.
And guys, I want to show you something, Daddy. May I have the key?
Yes, sir.
Real quick. And can I have this beep?
What about you try your controller?
Oh, good idea. Like you just put your valuables in here, money, 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 phone, like that, money and phone. Close it up. And then take this, put it on, and then you're like this when you don't have any battery. Oh no! It doesn't have any battery. Let me use this and pop. and take and put and push and turn.
Okay guys, in order to set up your administrator fingerprint, you push this pin inside of the reset hold button for a couple of times until you hear double beep. When you see this light is blinking, you put your finger 3 times. So now I set up my administrator fingerprint, and I guess we can test it right now.
It works.
It works. And now, since we set up our administrator fingerprint, we no longer can use any other fingerprint to open the case. This is my administrator, which opens it. Cyber Cool Cat,
Here's
can you
Mr.
try?
Finger. Hey, let me in. I'm your son. Not fair.
Okay, let's let you in. In order to install, set up your next finger, the administrator fingerprint should go here, and you're gonna wait. It will do the beep, and it will have the indicator as you unlock your box, but don't unlock it and wait for double beep. Then use your guest for 3 times until you hear a long beep. This means your fingerprint has been recorded. Okay, Cyber Cool Cat. Now you have your fingers. Do you want to check it? Not that one. There you go.
Whee!
Go ahead and put your controller there.
Please.
And you
Let's
can-
put my controller, that's valuable, and including this. Definitely not this. This should stay out.
I'm gonna hold on to
Definitely
this.
Oh, and definitely this, and definitely this. There's so many valuable things in this car. Yeah. And definitely this. And 2 more things. This. And this. Let's see if that all fits.
And I guess finally I'm not gonna lose my credit cards anymore.
Alright? If fits, let's give it a shot with my fingerprint again. Oh,
Perfect.
free stuff.
So let's try and make sure we can put our charger in place so we can charge our belongings.
And thank you for 413 for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.